Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make an home automation project with ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. To make this project, we will need an ESP8266 Nodemcu Wi-Fi module, some jumper cables, a 5V single channel relay module, and data cable to transfer the data. Let's start the video. First, take the Nodemcu and connect the Nodemcu with the data cable. Now connect the another OTG cable to the phone. Now open the settings and OTG. See, the Nodemcu turns on. Now copy the code and open Arduino Droid app and paste the code here. Now type your SSID, means hotspot name, and password of your hotspot. Now you want to write the auth token from the Blink app. This app is used for on off the light. It is an Wi-Fi app. Open Blink app. Here copy the auth token and paste the auth token here. Now compile the code. The compilation is started. The compilation is finished. Now open settings and select board type ESP8266. In this, select Nodemcu 1.0, that one, and upload the code to the Arduino board. I add paste 4 channel relay module code. The uploading time takes an 1 minute time. Now the uploading is finished. Now remove the OTG cable. Now connect the relay module to the Nodemcu board. Now take the relay module and take 2 jumper wires. Connect 1 jumper wire to the VCC pin and another jumper wire to ground pin. Connect the VCC pin to the plus 3 volts of the Nodemcu and connect the ground pin to ground pin. Now take another jumper wire and connect to the input pin of the relay module and connect another side to pin number D4 of Nodemcu. Now take an bulb and an 2-pin plug, connect one wire of the bulb and one wire of the plug. Another wire of the plug is connected to the common terminal of the relay module. And connect the another wire of the bulb to the normally open pin of the relay module. Now all the connections are completed. Now connect the Nodemcu to the power bank. See, the Nodemcu is turned on and the relay module is turned on. Now connect the 2-pin plug to the AC voltage. Now open the Blink app. Here I connect the pin of the relay to D4, pin number D4. So the D4 pin will be turned on. See, if you turn on the light will glow. If you off the button, the light will off. In the same way, I had created the smart extension box. Now I will use this to show you. Now I will plug in the smart extension box to power supply and I will turn on the smart extension box and connect the light to the smart extension board. Now same app will be used for this smart extension box also. See, I will turn on the light is glown. If you turn on this light, the light will off. This way you can make a smart extension box. I am used Nodemcu and single channel relay module in this box. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.